Travessa dos Anjos, alley of angels, walking with the angels. Ooh, walking with angels, down on Travessa dos Anjos, walking with angels, walking on Travessa dos Anjos. Travessa dos Anjos, Travessa dos Anjos.
Okay, this is called Anjos Lane, so we're gonna be walking down Anjos Lane. I haven't filmed this in a while. We're kind of near, it's Chinese New Year. There's a ton of people down all around here today. This is Pedro Nolasco da Silva. Next to Ginza Plaza, the house. That's it. Down there is the old hospital, which is now the Portuguese consulate. And then this is going to be our target street. So we'll put this up on the map and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, I haven't filmed this in a while, but I have filmed it a lot in the past because it's kind of a beautiful street, especially in the evening when the lights start coming on. So we have some lights now that are coming on. You can see those to the right, but more later there'll be more, and it'll have like a nice magic flow. Plus you got all the black and white Portuguese tiles as well. It's pretty busy today, so we'll see how crazy crowded it is. Okay. Yeah, you can already see it's quite busy. But yeah, this is Anjos Lane. And it's all pedestrians, so no cars can come in here. I don't think I've ever seen a motorbike. I don't know, we'll see. Suddenly I just heard one behind me. And this one kind of meanders around over to kind of a major street. There's San Jose Diocese. Capture that. I always like capturing that right there. Then now the street suddenly turns. And that's where we're just coming from, and that's where we're going to be going to. Yeah, very, very photogenic. And if you like the street, I have lots more that you can also see. I always put them at the thumbnail, the last 2 times I was here. And then you can see more, a lot more by just keep going back to the past ones. If there's a certain street you just want to see what it looks like at different times of periods of time. And a lot of these streets, this one in particular, I would have filmed a lot, even way back during the COVID time period when it was empty, nobody's really around. Okay, I'm gonna keep on going in. This is actually a parking garage. It looks like it was once maybe a temple or shrine. Okay. Travessa dos Anjos. So that street, I think that street doesn't really have a name. Let me just kind of walk over there real quick. There's the name, Travessa dos Anjos. But I have walked down it, and I think it's just like a private street. But it's quite interesting, all the residential places. Okay. Let's go on down. This is actually, a lot of people come here. Don't know what it is exactly, but it smells like egg tarts and such. Little warehouse, fashion warehouse, could be Packers shirt. Oh, surprising. Okay. So yeah, and we also, this lane also has a lot of these little tributaries, so we're actually going to include those in our video today. So we're going to come into these little plaza squares. Here's Ufufu. So yeah, also it's kind of a Lingnan style building right there. Okay. There's even a little plaza in there too. You see that? Private door, residence. Okay, so this is called Beco dos Anjos. Okay, I think these are New Year references here. It's Chinese New Year today. Okay. I saw some buskers here a long time ago. I haven't seen them in a long time. Like musicians, street musicians. I think it's like an illegal spot for them. There was a couple of Russians that were there a long time ago. So this is also part of our Travessa dos Anjos. This little alleyway. I'll take it. Give you an idea what this looks like as well. This is part of the street. See all the apartments everywhere in here. And even some businesses too. Yeah, I like that about Macau because these are kind of quiet little spaces. So if you live in it, you can be right next to some pretty busy streets, but have like this quiet, peaceful little corner without much noise at all. I don't think. Haiti. Someone has just, I heard recently that Haiti is actually from Zhengmen, China. Okay, let's continue down our streets. So those are those alleys right there. Huh, you got the Jimmy O Yang Chinese New Year reference as well. Okay. Okay, so let's keep on meandering down. Some shops, animation, comics, boutiques. And then we're also going to go into this little Beco right in here. So these little Becos are also residential places too. So here's a little patio de banco. And I think they have a kitchen in here. There you go. The cool little spaces. Okay. Let's keep on going down. This little space actually is like a shortcut all the way to another lane. Let's just kind of walk in real quick. I haven't walked in here in a while, but it kind of meanders like this, and there'll be some shops. Yeah, so Anjos Lanes has lots of interesting stuff. Okay. Those garbage cans don't smell so good if you're living above it. Okay. So we're going to come out to the end of this particular street. And this comes out to Rua de Campo. We also have these other small little alleys right off of this too. And this would be the end of the street right here. Lots of people around today. So yeah, Travessa dos Anjos. They're the sights of Macau.